So in this video, you'll learn how to enable text message notifications on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to be able to see your message notifications appearing on the lock screen of your phone, you have to start by just navigating to the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you then want to scroll and select Notifications, and then tap on App Notifications. From here, look for the messaging app and then select it. And then the very first thing is to ensure that you've allowed notifications. Once you've allowed notifications, you then want to ensure that lock screen has been selected, and then you want to choose your pop-up style. So now you can have the default notification pop-up style, or you can tap on it and choose whichever option you'd prefer. And you can also choose to show or hide content, again, if you prefer whichever option that you'd prefer. Once you're happy with the customizations that you've made to your lock screen notifications, now, whenever you receive any messages, the notifications should appear on the lock screen of your Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.